Hey, what's going on and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Well, if you're like me and you need to constantly use hand sanitizer, by buying at the store every single time, it's costing you money. And I'm all about saving money. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber Swanson. And on this channel, we talk a lot about house cleaning tips and hacks to help you save time and money. And if that interests you, go ahead and consider subscribing. This 3 easy, simple recipe is going to help you save a lot of money. Now, it definitely will take you 3 minutes or less to put it together. For me, what I like to do to save me even more time and money is to batch the things that I do. So that's why you see 2 rubbing alcohol. Now, what you're going to want to have is this list right here is the contents of things that you're going to need to make this. And so with that being said, I got my handy dandy jar that I'm going to mix things with, and I have reusable bottles that I'm going to use to put in here for this example here. And so with that being said, if you have essential oils or your favorite essential oil, go ahead and grab those for this video too. So what you're going to want to do is grab you rubbing alcohol. It has to be 70% or higher. Keep in mind that when you add water and things of that sort, it actually dilutes the rubbing alcohol. So that means the effectiveness of it goes down. So make sure that you grab 70% or higher. 70% is what I had in my cupboard. So this is what we're using in today's tutorial. So what you're going to do is you want to make sure that you grab your good old measuring cup and your alcohol. So go ahead and fill that up. And I grabbed my old salsa jar to use it to move the continents. So once this is filled up, go ahead and grab your aloe vera gel. And then you're going to need 1/4 cups of aloe vera gel. So boom, just like that. So go ahead and put your aloe vera gel in there. Make sure you got your spoon and grab the rest of the contents in there. Now, the thing I like about the aloe vera gel is that it helps keep your hand sanitizer from feeling so dry. You notice that when you're using, especially store-bought hand sanitizer, that your hands feel really dry. Well, this helps to prevent that. And it's optional if you don't have essential oils, but for me, I love smells. So in this video, I'm going to use peppermint. You can use peppermint, rosemary, lavender. They all have their own benefits. But for the smell, I'm going to go with peppermint. And so you drop 5 drops of this essential oil and you mix it up. And make sure you mix it good so that there's an equal amount of alcohol and aloe vera gel, because what it does is it helps your hands from feeling really dry. That's the thing I just can't stand. And so now that you have that all mixed up, all good and ready to roll, you want to grab your reusable container. Now, if you want to store it, that's why I use this old salsa jar, because I like to make things in bulk, and I just store it. So when I need it, I just pour and go instead of having to do this step all over again. Game changer is to do things in bulk. So grab your funnel and then make sure you use the mouth opening to pour, because then it helps to have less mess. There you have it. Now you have your own hand sanitizer ready to roll at every single time. You need to make sure your hands are staying clean. Speaking of making sure you keep your hands clean, you're going to want to check out this next video on how to make your own liquid hand soap with just a bar. 1 bar, something you already have. And you know me, I'm all about saving money. So I hope that you stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.